Hi, this is Vaughn with Tasty Fare 101, and today is going to get hot in the kitchen. First of all, how about a joke? What do pirates pay for corn these days? A buccaneer. Okay, today we're going to make some homemade hot sauce, and what we're starting with is 5 ounces of red peppers, and we have a couple of Thai chili peppers here. 3 loaves of garlic. 3 loaves. Did I say loaves? I did say loaves. Let's just start that over. Cloves. 3 cloves. How's that? Okay, 3 cloves. A shallot. A teaspoon of salt. And good wine vinegar. White wine vinegar. Okay? Make sure it's a good one because it'll influence your taste of the hot sauce. So get good vinegar. And yeah, so we're going to chop all this up and then get started. So next phase is coming right up. Okay, so we're about ready to chop up some peppers. And we need gloves. One thing, you want to wear some gloves because I tell you what, nothing worse than getting any of this on any bits of you because it's going to hurt. So well ventilated area, definitely need one of those. I put a fan in the window. It's going to suck it all out. So well ventilated and wear gloves. Okay, let's get to chopping. Okay, now that we have everything chopped up, ready to go into the medium saucepan, let's go ahead and put all that in there. Ooh, look at all that. That is just beyond words. Goodness. So get all those seeds in there. Okay, 2 cups of white wine vinegar. Let's add that into it. All right, and we'll add our 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using sea salt for this one. We'll turn this up on high, get it started, and then bring it down to a medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Be right back. Now that that's done, we've simmered it for about 7 minutes actually on this. Let's not let it cool off too much. We're going to put it right into our blender. And once we've done that, we can let this stuff blend away. It's going to be great. There we go. That's all in there. And simple process here. Remember, this is the easiest little recipe you'll ever run across. Okay, let me see. Make sure that this is on. Yep, it's on. All right, you just blend that in until it's well mixed. 20 seconds, 30 seconds. You be the judge. So now I'm going to use our strainer. Strain it into this vessel right here, which is a Pyrex measuring cup. And strain some of those seeds and whatnot right out of there. Okay. That there, and use my handy little spatula just to move things around a little bit and expedite that sifting process. Would you like another joke? I've got another joke for you. How much do chimneys cost? Nothing. They're on the house. So if you let this cool down too much, it'll get thicker before you put it in the blender. Just FYI. And so if it's still warm when you're running it through the blender, then doing this process here, it's not as thick. So you don't want it too thin, too thick. So the next step is a sanitized bottle and a funnel. Let's get this out of the way, just right to there so we can see what's going on. So that in there and slowly pour right into your bottle. Oh, that's a beautiful color, isn't it? Oh my goodness. Yeah. And whoa. I think I might have done just a little too much. That's pretty close. So here is a beautiful bottle of hot sauce. Yummy. I put it on my eggs. I put it, I put it on everything. Not cereal. I don't put it on cereal, but I put it on a lot of things. So it's wonderful. Let that cool down a little bit, and probably in an hour, 2 hours, it's ready to use. But if you let it sit in the refrigerator for 2 days, let everything come together, it is going to be fabulous. Trust me on that. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have any questions, throw them at me. Write down in the comments. Talk to you soon. Thanks.